And a lot of you already know I've talked about this on my channel before. I do have PMDD, so I am prescribed fluoxetine. It's not Prozac, is it? I believe it is. But anyway, it's fluoxetine. It's a mood stabilizer. Just being proactive because last month was really, really bad. I started feeling some things this month, not as intense, and I truly believe it's because I am changing the way that I eat. Take my pill, then my smoothie. I'm gonna go give my grumpy husband a smoothie. You mad because I made me a smoothie in my vlog this morning when I'm a vegan? You know vegan. So y'all see that? What I said. And you know what's so funny? I told them I'm finna go hand my grumpy husband a smoothie.
You fucking know. Okay? Good morning, y'all. She pissing me off though.
I'm pissing you off for flogging me.
On my straw.
You say men don't drink out of straws.
Well, this shit need a straw. Like how I'm supposed
to. Yeah. Nah, that's what you get, motherfucker.
I'm trying to lose my video for my green screen.
Oh, the cousins, girl. I saw big on there.
Me twice.
Send me the letter. You say, yeah, I got for $4.75.
So I did not bring my lunch today, and I am hungry. I was looking at places to get something to eat or possibly just like pick something up or get delivery, but everything was taking so long, and I'm like, you know what? I can just go home and fix me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and call it a day. This nigga got a whole goddamn green screen area. Work, cuz. Let me try to get to the bathroom, y'all.
Oh, please.
Well, I can't get to the bathroom.
Well, you wasn't supposed to be home.
That's a shame. Look, y'all, I'm under the cover. Something came down.
You need to put it back up.
I can't reach up there. But I like my sandwich cut.
I got you.
I'm gonna need some water. Y'all, I got a package from Bad Gyal Vegan. Bad Gyal Vegan. I guess this is the oxtails. Assuming this is the gravy. Y'all, so these are vegan oxtails. After I done warmed them up, I think I warmed them up too long because they kind of like broke apart. But yeah, I know y'all waiting on Troy to taste.
Or is they waiting on me? So this is like, what this is, gravy? What the hell that is? What's it, gravy?
Yeah.
It has the texture of a mocktail. It's not nasty. It's like it ain't really got no taste to it. To me. What you say? Same thing?
Yeah, it got the oxtail texture a little bit.
Yeah. Got the texture, but like it don't really taste like nothing.
It's not nasty though.
It ain't nasty at all.
He always say that, y'all.
It ain't nasty.
Stop looking at it. I had the truth.
It ain't nasty. I tell the truth. I don't care about how you be getting mad. You get mad every time I say I don't like something. I don't give a damn. If I don't like it, I don't like it. If I like it, I'll tell you. You know what I'm saying?
You feel better now?
Yeah, I do. But yeah, that's alright though. It's alright. I mean, ain't nothing go wrong. Ain't nothing to run home to your mama about. But
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? You just want to get by. You want to get by for the night. Just eat a little couple.
I ain't gonna
of
say get by. If you having a meat craving and you know somebody said it was spicy, it's not spicy at all.
Yeah, it's fine.
This will definitely like satisfy. It's not nasty.
One out of 10. Between 1 and 10, what you rank it? Or the cool 7.
I was thinking 7.
I'm gonna go with the cool 7. Little cornbread, little jiffy cornbread with some cabbage and that iced tea, that sweet tea we got in there. That's it. And I'll take some macaroni and cheese, baby. You know how to bless it.
Vegan macaroni.
I ain't tried that one yet though. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that one. I ain't gonna even lie.
You doing too much. So yeah, y'all check out Bad Gal Vegan. There's a lot of videos on here too on YouTube. With people tasting it. So it's not nasty. I don't know, when it comes to like the faux meats, I keep trying them, but I don't know. So my whole goal is to be a raw vegan. So I know that's like not right now. For me, it'll probably be more satisfying to someone who's been vegan for a long time. But because I just had some oxtails in December, you know what I'm saying? Like certain stuff, it just doesn't satisfy. It's not the same. It doesn't change like the fact that it's, you know.
It's definitely not the same.
Think, you know, later on down the line when I haven't eaten meat for a long time and got a taste of some oxtails, it'll definitely do. So
It's gonna have to do the way oxtail calls, not what they call it now.
oxtails like caviar, bitch.
I'm telling you, shit.
So that's it. We were supposed to do this at the table, but somebody
You ain't say nothing.
editing videos and doing all this stuff. So, all right. Bye.